So this is a question in which a magnetic dipole is there and it is along the y cap direction. So let me draw the coordinates. So this is x, y and z axis. So a magnetic dipole is kept like this. So suppose I take a magnetic dipole, it is kept like this in the y cap direction, along the y cap direction. And there is a magnetic field which is in the z cap direction, but this magnetic field is non-uniform magnetic field because it is function of x, so it is not a constant magnetic field, it is a non-uniform magnetic field, okay? So this is in z direction. Now they want to talk about angular motion as well as translational motion. So angular motion means we have to see torque, and translational motion means we have to check what is the force on this magnetic dipole, okay? So first of all, let me check the torque on the magnetic dipole. It is given by tau is equal to m cross b, okay? So m is in y cap direction and b is in z cap direction. So this will be in x cap direction. The torque will be in x cap direction. So it will just go like this from y to z, okay? So angular motion in yz plane will happen and it will move from y towards this. And as the angular motion will start, let us check what will happen to the translational motion. So the force is given by gradient of m dot b, okay? So this is equal to some gradient is, let us take some I cap del by del x plus j cap del by del y plus k cap del by del z into, and now it is not like this, it has moved little bit. So we will have some m and b, don't forget, is bx and some angle cos theta, okay? Any angle, any small angle, or after that also some angle will come, not zero. So now you can see this is only function of x. So when it will go in the gradient, only this term will survive. This and this will give 0. So that's why only I cap term will survive. So force will be in the direction I cap, okay? Just I am not writing the complete term. Only we have to check the direction. So the motion will be along the x cap direction and it will be in the yz plane. So what is the answer? Answer correct is second, where the motion is in yz plane and the translational motion will be in I cap direction because of this force. And same question can be given for an electric dipole also. Everything will be same, and there also you can see torque will be P cross E and force will be grade of P dot E. So same concept applies to that also, okay? Thank you so much.